Okay folks, today we have a 12-inch, 1 horsepower, 3470 RPM disc sander. This thing's in beautiful shape. It looks like the only thing wrong with it is there's a couple of little scratches on it here, and the 4 bolts that hold the table on the machine are missing. It looks like everything else is here. You can see here in the video that it's got the manual with the parts list on it. This thing is in beautiful condition. We're going to fire it up here so you can see it run. The vibration that you're hearing is just from it sitting on our wooden workbench here. Little padding under it will stop that. But this thing is in beautiful shape. Get all the information on it in our listing. Thank you. Have a great day.